Ever been working on something important, maybe a project or research, and you click a link only to get hit with a 404 error? It's like walking into a ghost town online, and it's even worse when you really need that info. This is the problem with link rot, when links break over time. Worse still, this happens to a massive 66.5% of all web links, meaning huge chunks of the internet just vanish every day. Think about the impact on legal cases relying on past rulings or academic research depending on those links. It's not just about losing access to a web page, it's about trust. If links don't work consistently, how do we trust what we find online? Digital history, personal profiles, and news are all affected by this issue. Platforms like MySpace have lost data, and other personal history could disappear without proper preservation. Sites like the Internet Archive try to help by taking snapshots of websites, and tools like Cloudflare's Always Online offer archived versions when links go dead. These are helpful band-aids, but don't really fix the underlying problem of link rot, namely that these links depend on data being stored in specific locations. Enter RIO, a decentralized solution powered by Arweave. RIO isn't just storage, it's the path to find what's stored. Through its Wayfinder protocol, RIO provides an unlimited number of dynamic and reliable routes to access data on Arweave. This means that even if the traditional URL breaks, the content remains accessible through content addressing. Each piece of data is identified by a unique digital ID rather than a location on a server. So, no matter where the data is stored, RIO guarantees the link will take you to the correct content. For those unfamiliar with permanent data, here's why it matters. Together, Arweave and RIO eliminate broken links by ensuring content is permanent and accessible. Unlike traditional storage where data can be altered or deleted, the permaweb uses content addressing to ensure data is found by its unique ID. This means that instead of depending on a specific static link, users can instead navigate to data using paths that are dynamic to the content and available access points. For example, Hong Kong's pro-democracy newspaper Apple Daily had its website taken down under government pressure. The countless broken links left behind have become a symbol of the censorship involved. But thanks to the permaweb, past editions were preserved, allowing history to remain accessible despite censorship. This same concept powers tools like Arweave, which allows you to store files, documents, or even entire websites permanently. When you upload a document, it becomes an instant web page with a unique identifier and paths to locate it, ensuring it will be available indefinitely, spelling the end of link rot. You can access the permaweb right now. Arweave, a decentralized storage app, allows users to permanently store documents, videos, and more. Each file uploaded gets a tamper-proof digital fingerprint, providing a crucial layer of trust in digital content, especially as misinformation spreads online. How does it all come together? RIO is not just about storing data, but also ensuring you can always access it. It guarantees that data, whether private files or historical records, is unalterable and accessible. We're finally addressing the core issue of link rot thanks to Arweave's permanent storage. Regardless of how much time passes or how the internet evolves, every file, web page, or document on the permaweb remains reliable and complete. And here's the kicker. Even if the team behind an application like Arweave were to cease operations, your data would still exist on the permaweb. RIO not only provides access to the data, but also to the permanently stored application used to save that data, ensuring continuity and reliability well beyond our lifetimes.